everybody, it's Erin Reed from Erin Reed Makes, and today I got
Catherine
with me, and we are opening up the next Orange Art Box. This one is for August, and it's the Creative Mind Box. And fun fact, there is a giveaway for this box, so leave a comment down below for a chance for you to win your own Orange Art Box. Isn't that awesome? Information about when you need to leave a comment and when we are going to draw the winner will be listed down in the information section below. But just leave a comment, and of course, we would love for you to subscribe. All right, you ready to open up?
Yeah.
All right, open up. Ooh, what's in here? Now we know this is the Creative Mind Box. So what does that mean? What is that? Oh, I got one too.
It's a game. That game is you're trying to get the ball into the middle, and you guys won't be one.
It's like a puzzle, a mind puzzle.
And then this one is you're trying to get all the balls into the correct hole.
All right, well, we'll play with those later. Let's put them off to the side. Yeah, I'm going to move the box over.
And you did it. You got 100 points.
Did I get the 100 points? Did I get in?
Yeah.
I did it. I did it.
You did it twice.
All right, looks like you've got what?
Rocks.
Ooh, I wonder what we're going to do with the rocks. I see rocks and I see paint. What does that mean?
We're going to do rock painting.
We're going to paint some rocks.
Paint.
Got your paint. Okay, what else?
Your foamy brush.
A foam brush.
More brushes.
Oh, okay, so we've got some detail brushes, and then we've got
some markers.
Awesome. Okay.
Paper. Some.
Ooh, it looks like buttons and gems and sequins.
Yeah.
Very fun.
We got some stars, some circles, and some color.
Some like colored sticks.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Then we got some.
Oh, glue dots. Looks like to stick some stuff together, right?
Maybe for to put the things together.
Maybe, yeah. So look, there's lots of open ends. Ooh, a bag. That's a cool. Must be able to hold something when you're done making it.
Maybe the rocks.
Maybe the rocks. Yeah. Okay, and then we've got a wood. Ooh, that makes you think. A wood board.
Maybe you can put that in. You can paint the wood board.
Maybe that's what the big foam brush is for. Awesome. Yeah. And then you have your inspiration book that tells you what you're supposed to do with all these fun things. We'll come back and explain that in a minute when we look through that. And then your Orange Art Box maps. This is the craft mat you can put down below all your crafting so that way you don't get your surfaces dirty. All right, let's lay everything out and take a look. That's a big box of stuff, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, so we looked through and we checked this out. So the board goes with the circles and the stars to make your own tic-tac-toe game. And that's where you can use the paint. And looking closer, what kind of markers were these? They're metallic markers. They're shiny. Shiny markers. That's pretty fun. Let's open up so you can see. Take a look at them. All right, we wanted to test these markers. Ooh, look how pretty. That's a pretty marker. Look at this one.
That one looks like it's gold.
Silver. What you got? Look how pretty.
Wait, there's. Oh, I thought there was two sides.
Oh, they're very metallic-y and colorful. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, and then one of your favorite colors.
This one looks like it's gold.
That is gold.
But
so
it is yellow.
Yeah, you got 6. So in here it actually says you get antique gold, sterling silver, sage green, sky blue, misty purple, and dusty rose. The idea was that you've got your sheet of papers to help you make the popsicles, the actual lollipops, and also for the frame, and you can decorate it with this, and then you can put your own art that you either paint or draw inside that. And then the bag is to hold your tic-tac-toe game. And then the rocks, like you said, it's to make colored rocks. How fun. So could you do other stuff with this though, Catherine?
But I was going to say that you can use these sticks also to make the tic-tac-toe lines.
You could, yeah. You could glue the sticks to there to make your tic-tac-toe.
Or use the glue dots.
Yes, that's right. So many options. That is the beauty about this, is that the kids can kind of go in their own direction or they can follow the instructions that are in the book. It really is up to you. So this is the Creative Mind Box, which means let your minds be creative. Do you think you could even color on the bag?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, do you think you could mark on the bag or paint on the bag? Mm-hmm. I think so too. I would suggest if you did that though, but put a sheet of paper inside so that way it doesn't bleed through. But if you put just a sheet of paper inside before the kids did it, they could do that. So you could definitely decorate the outside of your bag. Oh my gosh, such an amazing box, right, Catherine?
Yeah.
Are you going to have all kinds of fun?
Yeah.
What's the first thing you want to do? You want to paint the rocks. All right, as always, examples of the projects that Catherine and my other kids have made, including our neighborhood kids that love to come over and create with us, will be at the end of this video. Don't forget to leave your comments. That way it's your entry to win your own orange art box for your house. It'll be shipped to you. Just leave a comment and it's your entry to win. So, want to say goodbye to everybody?
Bye.
Bye, everybody. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell button for further notifications. Bye-bye.